Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set different CPU priority levels within Windows. So just generally speaking, if you want to increase the performance or resources dedicated to a specific program or process, this tutorial will be kind of geared towards you. So we're just going to jump right into it and then we'll kind of go through what everything means. So start by opening up Task Manager. So just go ahead and right click on the taskbar and then select Task Manager. Select the Details tab. And now for whatever service you want to increase the CPU priority for, you can just right click on it and then select Set Priority. So there are 6 different options you can choose from. So real time, high, above normal, normal, below normal, or low. Generally speaking, I would highly suggest avoiding real time because that is usually too intensive of system resources. However, if you want to go above normal or high, you can generally notice a little bit of a speed increase in certain applications or programs depending on what you're using them for at the time. Just take note that it will increase the memory usage for that process, as well as it not being permanent, meaning when you restart your computer it will not maintain that high or above normal or perhaps even below or normal or low settings. It's going to go revert back to normal. So just keep that in mind, but it just gives you something to play with a little bit there. So just wanted to put that out there for you guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.